Hi friends, I'm outside in the garden. I was thinking I'm going to give you a highlight from the web shop. I hope you can hear me. There's a grasshopper doing his thing over here very loudly. Neighbors are out, cars are going by. But hopefully we can do this. As you may have seen, I have a lot of yarn dyeing videos out right now. I hope you've seen them. I hope you've enjoyed them. I hope you've been inspired. And I thought I would highlight some of the stuff that's in my web shop. I've just added in lots of undyed yarn. I've got some mohairs. I've got a merino. I got mohairs. I've got minis. I have stocked up pretty much everything I've got in stock right now of undyed yarn. I have put in the web shop for you. Go have a look if you're interested. And I have also added a couple of embroidery yarns that you can dye on. These are cotton, of course, and I do have some regular cotton as well. I didn't bring them outside. You do need to have fiber reactive dye for those, which I don't have in stock right now. It's something for the future. You may have heard I'm moving, so I'll be waiting until after that is all cleared before I'm stocking up on a lot of stuff. But there's some embroidery yarn available if you want to dye on that. Merinos, minis, 100 grams, mohairs, and I do have acid dyes. Lots and lots and lots of acid dyes. And I have ordered the smaller cans for that because I figured that is most useful for someone who's dyeing at home, because these go a really long way. There's a lot of dye in these. So I've got pretty much all the colors available of Jacquard's acid dyes. Also looking into adding other brands as well in the future, but I'm pretty sure you can find something even here. And also I have some free downloadables in the web shop, or actually this is we can do it like this. I got these dye sheets, and there's one version that you can download if you prefer to have it on paper, maybe put it in a folder or something, and the other one is for use digitally. You can enter all your information in the PDF online, and these are both free to use completely, and you can use them over and over again. So you can add in your yarn selfie. What did you dye? What yarn you used and how the amount was, where you got the dye, the date you dyed it, the tools you used, what else is there, the dyes, the colors you used, chemicals, let's see, what is it, chemicals used to set dye if you're using citric acid or something else. Basically everything, all the information you need to know in case you want to repeat your dye in the future. You can add everything in here. And like I said, you can print it and just have it on paper, or you can use it online and just download the PDF, and you can use that as many times as you want as well. And these are both free. So yeah, if you want to dye some yarn, I got some stuff for you. Got the dyes, got some yarns, some embroidery yarns. Granted, I don't have the dyes for these and for the cotton yarns, but I am planning on carrying that as well in the future. So yeah, have a look-see, see if you can find something fun. And also, don't forget to sign up for the newsletter, because there will be discounts and all of that good stuff in the newsletters. I'm planning on sending out a newsletter once a week. We'll see if I can make that. That is the idea. Just a short hi, hello, if there's a special discount that week, or maybe a new pattern. So nothing too involved, I think. Just a small hello from me, checking in, see how you're doing, telling you if I have a discount or something. So yeah, I'm going to go back inside and edit this video, continue working. I have a sewing project to finish, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye!